The University Research Ethics Board, UREB, Guidelines. The Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Office of the Vice President for Research, Extension, and Development and Research Management Office of the PUP have released the Memorandum Order No. 14, Series of 2020, the revised implementing guidelines of University Research Ethics Board structure and functions. These guidelines are as follows: safeguard the rights, safety, dignity, and well-being of everyone who participates in research works. Define and determine the protocol in the conduct of research works involving human subjects, such as cultural communities and environment, as well as the risk involved, whether they are acceptable or in violation of certain ethical procedures, not to mention existing laws and regulations regarding malpractices. Review, evaluate, and resolve whether or not research works that are potentially hazardous to humans and animals adhere to internationally accepted research ethical standards. Provide guidance on practices to minimize health and environmental hazards related to activities used in research and instructions within the university. Conduct periodic review and recommend improvement in the provisions of this policy. Delegate the college deans and branch or campus directors to constitute a C or BREB to serve as the governing body that provides adjudication towards concerns, issues, grievances, and possible violations pertaining to the research code of ethics at the college or branch level. Serve as the highest governing body that provides adjudication towards concerns, issues, grievances, and possible violations pertaining to the research code of ethics, as endorsed by C or BREB. Who are the members of University Research Ethics Board and the College or Branch Research Ethics Board? The organizational structure of the UREB. The chair shall be the Vice President for Research, Extension, and Development or his or her designated representative. The Research Management Office RMO, particularly the Research Evaluation and Monitoring Center REMC, shall serve as the Secretariat which assists the UREB in all its undertakings. The Vice Chair shall be the University Legal Counsel or his or her designated representative. The members shall be the Director of the Intellectual Property Management Office, IPMO, or the Chief of Innovation and Technology Support Office, ITSO, or Center for Technology Transfer and Enterprise Development, CTTED. The Director or Chief of the concerned institute or center, and faculty experts. Expertise will be defined according to the produced, presented and/or published research works on the concerned discipline. In case a member of the UREB and/or C or BREB is involved either as a lead proponent or member of a research submitted for evaluation by UREB and/or C or BREB, he or she must inhibit from sitting as a member of UREB and/or C or BREB. The organizational structure of the C or BREB. The C or BREB chair shall be the dean or director of the college, or branch, or campus, or his or her designated representative. The C or BREB secretariat shall be appointed by the dean of the college or director of the branch. The secretariat shall assist the C or BREB in all its undertakings. The C or BREB vice chair shall be the program chairperson, academic head of the college or branch, or campus, or his or her designated representative. The C or BREB members shall be the assigned 3 faculty experts. The faculty experts may not be necessarily from the concerned college or branch. Expertise shall be defined according to the produced, presented and/or published research works on the concerned discipline. What are the application requirements? For external researchers, researchers shall write a letter of intent to the university president through the Vice President for Research, Extension, and Development, VPRED, to seek permission or clearance. The letter of intent shall, among others, include the following: brief description of the project, rationale, and general theme. In case of a complaint, a letter with a complete narrative of the issue must be submitted with other pieces of evidence as an annex. Upon receipt of the letter of intent, the RMO shall provide their searchers with a list of requirements. Upon completion, the RMO shall endorse the application to the UREB. Then the chair shall convene the latter within 3 working days or upon his or her discretion. The UREB shall issue a clearance for every research work to be conducted in the university by external researchers. In the case of a complaint, a period of investigation must be set, and an investigation must commence not more than 1 month after the filing of the complaint. For internal researchers, Upon receipt of the letter of intent, the college dean or branch director will provide the researchers with a list of requirements. Upon completion, the college dean or branch director will endorse the application to the C or BREB within 3 working days or upon his or her discretion. The C or BREB shall issue an endorsement of every undergraduate research work to the RMO. The RMO shall issue a clearance for every research work to be conducted inside the university. How much are the fees? All external researchers who seek UREB certification or clearance to conduct research works in the university shall pay a corresponding fee. Graduate researchers, commissioned or non-commissioned, shall pay 2,000 pesos. Senior high school and undergraduate researchers shall pay 150 pesos. For every complaint about research honesty and integrity of each bona fide student and/or permanent employee of the university, they shall pay 5,000 pesos. The collected fees will be used for the maintenance and other operating expenses of UREB